Welcome back to Sketch Dictionary. Today's words are all about reactions, specifically the kind of reactions Gen Z uses when something's funny, unexpected, or slightly unhinged. These phrases don't explain jokes, they react to them. Let's break them down. First up, hits different. When something hits different, it means it feels stronger than expected. Emotionally, mentally, sometimes randomly. A song hits different at night. A joke hits different when you're tired. An old photo hits different years later. It's about timing and context, not just the thing itself. Next, I'm weak. This one means something is so funny or shocking that you can't handle it. Nobody's actually weak. You're just overwhelmed. People say it when they're laughing, when they're surprised, or when something completely caught them off guard. Sometimes it's typed as I'm weak, which means please stop, I can't process this. Now, that's wild. This is a reaction to something unexpected, but not always funny. It can mean that's shocking, that's crazy, I did not see that coming. The tone depends on context. It can be amused or slightly concerned. Either way, it means wow, that's a lot. Next up, let him cook. This one's about not interrupting someone. If someone is explaining something, making a point, or doing something impressive, and others want to stop them, people might say, let him cook. It means wait, let this play out. They're onto something. Sometimes it's serious, sometimes ironic, but it always means don't ruin this moment. And finally, it's the for me. This phrase highlights one specific detail, usually something funny, sometimes something annoying. Example, it's the confidence for me. It's the audacity for me. You're pointing out the one thing that stands out the most and letting everyone else connect the dots. So, quick recap. Hits different, stronger than expected. I'm weak, overwhelmed reaction. That's wild, unexpected, or shocking. Let him cook. Don't interrupt. It's the for me. Highlight the detail. These phrases don't explain humor, they are the reaction. If you've ever laughed and didn't know how to respond, now you've got options. I'll see you next time with more slang, one sketch at a time.